Hello, everyone. Please allow me to introduce this cross-language Kotlin dependency analysis tool, based on Depends-Kotlin. As is well known, dependency relations among entities in the source code form the foundations of software architecture analysis. While Kotlin is a widely used emerging language in Android development, it lacks efficient dependency analysis tools. Meanwhile, in the existing large number of projects, Kotlin often works in collaboration with Java. But the number of available dependency analysis tools for Kotlin is limited. And it is precisely these issues that have prompted us to develop Depends-Kotlin. Kotlin, compared to Java, has a more concise syntax and numerous syntactic sugars, as well as a large amount of additional code generated to ensure interoperability with Java. These two factors make the task of extracting dependency relationships through static code analysis challenging for us. Fortunately, we have overcome most of these challenges and have completed the modification of the original Depends framework. We refactored it into a plugin architecture and designed a language registration module to simultaneously register multiple languages. Meantime, we filled in the implicit code when putting Kotlin and Java entities to the pool, which contains all entity concretes, and performed multi-round inference for entities and dependency relations, resolving Kotlin-only dependency types. During the construction of Depends-Kotlin, we discovered 13 types of dependency relationships in Kotlin. The first 11 dependency types are common to both Kotlin and Java projects, and they are a manifestation of the commonality between Kotlin and Java syntax. While the last two, delegate and extension, exist only in Kotlin, and are generated by Kotlin's unique syntax structure. Okay, in this section, I will demonstrate the source code of this 2L, the compilation process, and the analysis process of a small-scale project. But before that, you can find the source code for the project and how to use the comprehensive command line interface provided by Depends-Kotlin to customize its behavior with a variety of parameters on our GitHub page. We've also provided the example data we collected and collated, as well as the results of our data analysis. You can find examples of Depends-Kotlin analyzing real projects and the results here. Now, we can get back on track. Before you start compiling, make sure that the current Java path is corresponding to JDK version 17 and above. Once everything is ready, we use the Shadow plugin and Gradle in the project to help us manage dependencies to package the jar. After the packaging is completed, we can start the analysis of the project through the command line and specify the analysis level, output location, output format, and other information. Now let's analyze the Flap project using Depends-Kotlin. Flap is a hybrid Kotlin Java project that we randomly selected from GitHub, and its GitHub link is shown below. Once the analysis is complete, we can get the dependencies of the project, which for now is presented in JSON format. We can find a corresponding result file in the specified output path. Through command line arguments, we can extract all the dependencies in the input files. In an output file, the file name is stored in a variable block and is implicitly numbered from 0, while the dependencies are displayed in the cells block below, where the number is the number of the file name, or we can call it the file ID. This is the tool we want to introduce to you. Depends-Kotlin. Thank you for your attentive listening.